Do you often feel tired, dizzy, or notice your skin looking pale and lifeless? What if I told you that a simple, natural remedy, using just 2 ingredients from your kitchen, could help boost your blood levels and bring energy back into your life? Stay with me till the end, because this powerful home remedy might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's natural, easy, and incredibly effective for low blood levels or anemia. Best home remedy for low blood, anemia. If you feel weak, tired, or have pale skin, your body might lack enough blood. Try this simple, natural remedy to boost your blood levels. Remedy: take 2 dried figs and soak them in 2 tablespoons of grape vinegar at night before sleeping. Cover the bowl and let it rest overnight. In the morning, eat the soaked figs on an empty stomach and drink the remaining vinegar. Repeat this daily for a few days or weeks. Benefits: 1. Helps your body make fresh, healthy blood. 2. Improves energy and removes weakness. 3. Brings natural glow and freshness to the face. 4. Boosts your immune system. Note: this is a natural remedy with no side effects. However, if you're on medication, consult your doctor before starting. Stay healthy with the blessings of nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with someone who might need it. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. And for more powerful natural health tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new remedy. Thank you for watching, and stay naturally healthy.